We're at the Jule Transit, and we are in the city of Dubuque. We have a fleet of 16 fixed route buses that we run streets on with our rangers, and we use that for dispatching, but we also use it for reporting, and the reporting has been a huge piece for us for different grants we've written, and then also just reporting with different partners that we have in the community. Every month we look at all of our ridership, who's riding, where they're going, which routes they're using. So we were able to pinpoint what times of day we needed to go to those places and then stagger and do an alternate hour service for those routes. And so we actually were able to save about $100,000 this last year, and without really impacting our ridership negatively. We started using our system in about August of 2013. By January 2014, so just like 4 months, we had already taken the data we had and restructured our entire system, and we cut trip times by 50% for most trips. So it was a very short period of time that we took and turned that around and completely restructured. And after that point, I think we saw like upwards of 20% increases per month of ridership just from those changes. We don't like seeing buses run empty. That's not something we want to do. We don't want to misuse public funds. We want to use them well. We want to get people where they need to go in a more efficient way. One of the things that I think went really well with working with TripSpark was the staff we worked with really understand transit, and they were willing to understand our system and how it worked. They want to help us solve a problem because they also are talking to other transit systems and have that knowledge. And I don't know that you get that from every software provider. It's actually a conversation and a collaborative answer to that problem. Every system is special and different, and staff that can come in and learn how your system works before they tell you how you should do something is really important. And that's what we had with the staff we worked with. They understand our system because we've been working with them for 4 years now. You know, they know the ins and outs of what we do, the things we've done together before, and like, oh, it's a way to build on what we've done. So they remember it, and we're adding to what we have. It's been a really good relationship.